Hello and welcome back guys to SOLIDWORKS tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to create a simple crankshaft. For those who don't know about crankshaft is a rotating shaft which converts reciprocating motion of the piston into rotational motion. This is the drawing of the crankshaft. Let's start. Go to new here and select part. Open. First select plain white background. Now select front plane and sketch. Select circle. Create a circle. Assign it dimension of 100 mm diameter. Extrude this, make direction reverse and extrude this up to 100 mm, sorry, up to 150 mm. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Again create a circle from the origin, make it 140 mm diameter, extrude this up to 50 mm. Make sure that it is in the negative z direction. Now select this face, sketch. Now create a center line from the origin. Right click and exit. Now select line. Create a line here. Exit. Select 3-point arc. Click here in this point. Make a 3-point arc. Exit. Select this point and this center line. Make coincident. Now again select 3-point arc. Start from here. Create arc like this. And again from here. Create arc like this. And again from this point. And create this time create a larger arc. Like this. Right click and exit. Now select mirror entities. Select this point, this line. Mirror about the center line. Okay. Now select this point and this point, merge point. Now the sketch region has been shaded. This means that the sketch is closed. Now give these arcs tangent relation. This line and this arc tangent as well. This arc and this arc tangent. Now go to smart dimension. Make this distance 150 mm. This larger radius, make it 180 mm. Okay. Undo. First give them direct dimension 45 mm. Make it 50 mm. Make this 180 mm. Now select smart dimension, hold down shift key on your keyboard and select this arc and this arc. Make it 450 mm. Now the center distance of this arc and this circle is 45 mm. Make it 45 mm and select this point and this origin. Make it vertical. Now the sketch is fully defined, so let's extrude it. Go to extruded workspace. Make it extrude up to 50 mm. Now select this face, sketch, normal, create a circle, move the cursor along this edge to find the center, make it 140 mm, extrude this up to 100 mm, again select this face, sketch, normal, select straight slot, select this point and create a straight slot. Now give dimension to this, make it 75 mm radius and hold down shift key and again select this arc and this arc, make it 300 mm. Now extrude this up to 50 mm. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, create a circle from the origin again 140 mm, extrude this up to 100 mm, select this face, sketch, normal, select straight slot again from this point, create a slot like this, give it a dimension 75 mm radius, make it 300 mm, extrude this up to 50 mm. Now select this face and sketch, normal direction, create a circle, extrude it up to 100 mm. Now select this face and click sketch. Now this time go to convert entities command from here and select this crank surface. You can see face 1 has been selected and press OK. Now you can see this sketch has been created over this face. Now go to rotate entities from here. Now select this sketch, click here. Now in the center rotation area, select this origin and make it 180 degree. Now you can see the sketch has been inverted vertically. That's okay. If you need to define these, so you can simply go to here, fully define sketch, all entities in sketch. Okay. Now you can simply select smart dimension. It is showing that the sketch is converted entities, no need to dimension. Go to feature and extrude it to 50 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal, create a circle, 140 mm, and this time 50 mm only. 50 mm. Okay. Now select right plane, normal, sketch. Now we need to create cutouts. So create triangles like this. Right click and exit. Now give dimension to this triangle. This distance is 20 mm. This length is 125 mm. Now create more triangles like this from here. Here also. Now all the triangles have same dimension, so select this horizontal line of each triangle one by one, holding down Ctrl key on your keyboard. Okay, now select equal. Now select this vertical line of all triangles one by one. Make equal as well. Okay, only this is pending. For this length is 125 and this is 300, so simply 300 minus 125, that is 175. So this make this distance 175 mm. Now this is also fully, now the sketch is fully defined. Go to feature and extruded cut. Make direction through all both, so that the sketch is going to cut on both direction, that is plus x and minus x. Press OK. See, the cut has been created. So now we need to mirror this part over this face. So first we need to create a plane over this face. In order to create a plane, go to feature, drop this menu of reference geometry and select plane from here. Now in the first selection, select this face. Now you can see the plane is at a distance of 10 mm. Make it coincident with the surface. Okay. Now this is the new plane. Now go to mirror, select this plane and select this go to bodies to mirror option. If you go to mirror features to mirror, you need to select each and every feature command one by one. So simply select this body, make sure merge body is selected, checked. Okay, you can see, hide this plane. You can see this plane one has been shown in the feature manager tree. Now give it the material plain carbon steel. Okay, the crankshaft has been created. Isometric view. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.